Today, let's learn something about those who don't believe in Allah and those who don't believe in the Quran. Quran speaks a lot about unbelievers. Quran says something in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 6. Let's read. And he says, as to those who reject faith, it is the same to them whether they want them or do not want them, they will not believe. And that there's some people on this earth, whether we want them or we don't want them, they still not believe, or they won't believe. Why? Allah said, Allah has set a seal on their hearts and on their hearing and on their eyes. Is what a veil. Great is the word penalty. Is the word penalty they what incur. And Allah has set a seal in their heart. So even if whatever you will do to them, they will not believe, they will not hear, they will not see, but they are blind. That's what Quran says. Let's continue by saying that also, of the people, there are some who say believe in Allah and the last day, but they do not believe. Also, we have some people on this earth who say we believe in Allah and the last day, but they don't believe. They think they're deceiving Allah, but not knowing that they deceive themselves. But can you deceive Allah? No. You can never deceive Allah. You are deceiving your own self. I say, for they deceive Allah and those who believe, but they only deceive themselves. Meaning they think they are deceiving Allah and the believers, but not knowing that they are deceiving themselves. So to the unbelievers or to the Catholic, whatever you do, even if you open my mind, you put the Quran in it, you will not believe. And that's how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them. They will not believe whatever you do. No matter whatever you explain the Quran to them, no matter whatever, like how intelligent or how the strategical way you use to explain to them, they will still not believe. But that's how they were made. Allah continues by saying that in their heart is disease. And Allah has increased their disease. And grievous is the penalty they incur because they are false to themselves. Meaning that here Allah is saying that Allah has in their heart is a disease, and Allah has increased that disease for them. So just imagine, the unbelievers will never believe, but their end is a force. They end the penalty they incur. What's the penalty of that? That's the hereafter. When we come to the hereafter, it entails to the hell and heaven. How can unbelievers go to heaven unless they come to believe? Let's continue. He said, when we say to them, make no mischief on this earth, they say, why? We are only want to make peace. But that's not the truth. Of for surety, they are the one who makes mischief, but realize it not. And you can see in the word that the Muslims are calling all sorts of names, all bad things they are pushing into Muslim societies, because we think the West are trying to make peace on this earth, but it's never true. This Quran chapter 2 verse 11 speaks about the West, the Western society. We think they are trying to make peace on this earth, but it's not true. They will never make peace on this earth. They always want war. They always want conflict. But how they will do it, you will not believe. will not believe, will not got to know that they are under what is happening. What's happening in the Middle East right now? The Western societies are under it. They are causing those conflicts in the Middle East. But how they will do it, you will not know. Because they will call you that they are the peacemakers. But they are not. They are not. So of surety, they are one who make mischief, but they realize not. They are the one who makes mischief, but they realize not. Allah continues by saying that when it is said to them, believe as others believe, they say, shall we believe as the fools believe? No. Of a surety, they are fools, but they do not know. So don't believe us. If we say they should believe, they say no, we don't believe like as the fools believe. They don't, but they don't know that they are the fools.